Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and tools, iPhone on iOS 16. 4 or later, and a Mac with the latest Xcode signed into the same Apple ID. Once connected via cable, unlock the iPhone and tap Trust. Make sure the Mac is allowed to access the device. Then open Xcode, choose Window then Devices and Simulators, and verify the phone shows up as connected. This pairing is required, so iOS will show the developer mode prompt later when you run developer content. Next, trigger developer mode by running a development build or using Xcode to attach a process. That action prompts iOS to offer developer mode. When the prompt appears on your iPhone, tap Turn On and accept the acknowledgement. The device will request a reboot to apply the change. After the restart, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and open Developer Mode to confirm it is enabled. This sequence ensures the system changes were authorized by you and tied to the connected Mac. Finish by reviewing the Developer Mode options you need. Enable UI automation, advanced logging, or network debugging as required for your workflow. If Developer Mode failed to enable, first reconnect the cable and restart both the iPhone and the Mac, then reopen Xcode to confirm the device is recognized. Make sure you tapped Trust earlier. Also verify both iOS and Xcode are current, because Developer Mode enforcement often requires matched modern versions. One key tip: repairing the device usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.